Let's now move over to the United States. The US is currently grappling with what could be the country's hardest week of the coronavirus pandemic. The country has recorded nearly 2,000 deaths for the second day in a row. Meanwhile, New York, which is the epicenter of the outbreak in the US, has recorded its deadliest day of the pandemic, with 739 deaths overnight. New York accounts for nearly half the total death toll in the country. However, the rate of hospitalization in the city fell to 586. New York's Governor Andrew Cuomo even believes that the social distancing norms are working for the state, going ahead to say that the curve may be flattening in New York.
If we continue doing what we're doing, then we believe the curve will continue to flatten. But it's not a time to get complacent. It's not a time to do anything different than we have been doing. Remember what happened in Italy when the entire healthcare system became overrun? So we have to remain diligent.
But what New York's death toll data now shows us is that people from minority communities are dying at a disproportionate rate. The Hispanic and the African American community comprise the majority of deaths in the state. Earlier, leading immunologist Anthony Fauci had even mentioned that according to preliminary data, African Americans are dying at a faster rate than the rest of the US population due to this virus. The New York state will also keep all its flags at half-mast in a tribute to the number of people who have succumbed to this virus. A New York cathedral has now been converted into a makeshift hospital. 400 hospital beds have been delivered to the cathedral and is expected to receive patients by next week. But even as the death toll continues to surge in the US, President Donald Trump continues to talk about how he would like to open the country with a big bang.
But it would be nice to be able to open with a big bang and open up our country, or certainly most of our country, and I think we're going to do that soon. You look at what's happening. I would say we're ahead of schedule. Now, you hate to say it too loudly because all of a sudden things don't happen.
Meanwhile, US First Lady Melania Trump posted a video thanking all the healthcare workers and first responders.
To all of our medical personnel and other frontline responders, on behalf of a grateful nation, thank you. The President and I appreciate all that you're doing to keep the people of our country healthy and safe. In the most difficult of times, the United States never fails to rise to the occasion with both unity and strength. It is because of you that the people of America are receiving the care and treatment they need. We stand united with you, and we salute your courageous and compassionate efforts. Our prayers are with all who are fighting this invisible enemy, COVID-19.